Dear student, in this video we will study about hybridization for the coordination number 4. As you know, for coordination number 4, there are two types of hybridization, either DSP2 or ESP3. When DSP2 will occur and when ESP3 hybridization will occur, we will discuss about this. So I am going to start hybridization for the coordination number 4. K2 Ni CN4 और Ni CN4 -2 oxidation state for the nickel +2 coordination number cyanide is monodentate ligand and number of cyanide are 4 here. So 4 coordinate bond is set up. Due to this secondary valency, that is coordination number will be equal to 4. Now we will write the electronic configuration for nickel. Atomic number of nickel is 28. Ni 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p6 3d8 4s2 4p0 4d0. Here oxidation state is +2. It means we will remove 2 electrons from outermost shell, that is from the 4s orbital. So we will write the configuration for Ni+2 ion. Ni+2 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p6 3d8 4s0 4p0 4d0. D orbitals are of the 5 types. So 5 blocks are set up for D orbitals, either for 3D or for the 4D. Any D orbital 3D, 4D, 5D, 6D, D orbitals are of the 5 types. P orbitals are of the 3 types. Any P orbital 2p, 3p, 4p, 5p, 6p, any P orbital is of the 3 types. No sub orbital for the S. S orbital is alone. 3d. D orbitals are of the 5 types. S orbital is of the 1 type, and p orbital are of the 3 types, that is px, py, pz. After setting the box, 8 electrons are distributed in 3d accordingly as Hundal. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we will pay our individual attention at the nature of ligand. Here ligand is cyanide. Cyanide is strong ligand. Due to effect of strong ligand, that is cyanide pairing in 3d orbital takes place. Cyanide is strong ligand and 3d orbital is incomplete. Incomplete means 10 electrons are not present in the d orbital. If 10 electrons are present in d orbital, then d orbital is fulfilled. Less than 10 electrons in d orbital, then we say that d orbital is incomplete. If inner d orbital is incomplete and ligand is strong, sharing must occur. Same sense is involved here. Cyanide is strong ligand and d orbital is incomplete. No 10 electron in 3d here. Here 3d orbital contains only 8 electron. It means d orbital is incomplete. The d orbital is incomplete and our ligand is strong. Hence pairing must occur. Hence pairing must occur. After pairing, I plus 2, 3d, Fourier and 4p. So due to pairing, these 8 electrons are in the form of pair. Thus, 4 pairs will be set up. Before pairing, we will have only 3 pairs. First pair, second pair, third pair. After pairing due to effect of ligand, here there will be 4 pairs. First pair, second pair, third pair, fourth pair. So thus one d orbital becomes vacant due to availability of one vacant inner d orbital. It is participated in the required hybridization. So for coordination number 4, we need 4 vacant hybrid orbitals. Out of 4 vacant hybrid orbitals, one orbital from 3d, one from 4s, and only two from 4p. The hybridization would be DSP2. Now, coordinate bond will be represented first ligand, second ligand, third ligand, and fourth ligand. Here all the d electrons are paired, hence it will behave as diamagnetic substance, that is low spin complex. Here inner d orbital is participated in the hybridization, so it belongs to inner orbital complex. All the 3d electrons are paired, hence it is diamagnetic. Low spin complex. Due to DSP2, it is inner orbital complex. Now EAN, effective atomic number. EAN is equal to atomic number minus oxidation state plus 2 times number of monodentate ligand. That is 34. Say for DSP2 hybridization shape is square planar. Shape square planar. Central atom along with its oxidation state. Cn minus, Cn minus, Cn minus, Cn minus. Next example. For K2 NiCl4, और दिस में भी आल्सो रिटर्न है NiCl4 -2. Oxidation state of central atom, that is nickel. Oxidation state +2. Coordination number here chloride is ligand and number of chlorides are 4. It means 4 coordinate bond is set up. It is why? Because chloride is monodentate ligand. Monodentate ligand forms only one coordinate bond. The being monodentate ligand, 4 chlorides set up 4 coordinate bond. So our coordination number will be 4 here. After this, electronic configuration for nickel will be written. Ni 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3p8, 4s2, 4p0. Coordination number 4, hence outer d orbital, that is 4d orbital, is not compulsory to represent, to show. Due to oxidation state +2, we will remove 2 electron from 4s orbital, outer orbital. Ni +2, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3p8, 4s0, 4p0. D orbitals are of the 5 types. First, second, third, fourth. S orbital is of the 1 type and p orbitals are of the 3 types. Now 8 electrons in 3d orbitals are distributed accordingly as Hundal. Since chloride is weak ligand, due to this pairing will not occur, pairing will not possible in inner d orbital, that is in 3d orbital. No chance for pairing because our ligand is weak. Chloride is weak ligand. Hence, pairing does not occur. Due to this, 3d orbital will not vacate. Thus, according to the coordination number 4, we need 4 vacant hybrid orbitals. It is clear from here that no any 3D orbital is vacant. So, d orbital will not involve. D orbital will not present in our required hybridization. So, as need by coordination number, we have to mix 4 pure orbitals, and for these 4 pure orbitals, we will take 1 S and all the 3 P. That is, our hybridization would be sp3, not dsp2, sp3. Now, coordinate bond will be represented in these available vacant hybrid orbitals. First, second, third, fourth, 3D. Fouriers. Or P. So one ligand in this, one ligand in this. Due to sp3 hybridization, shape will be tetrahedral. Electrons in inner d orbitals, that is in 3D orbitals, are not paired, means unpaired electron present in 3D. Due to presence of unpaired electron, it is meaningless whatever the number of unpaired electron, 1 unpaired, 2 unpaired, 3 unpaired. We need only sense of the paired and unpaired. If any one unpaired electron present, or 2 present, or 3 present, due to unpaired electron, character will be paramagnetic always. Due to presence of unpaired electron in 3D, its magnetic nature will be paramagnetic. Due to presence of unpaired electron in inner d orbital, that is in 3D orbital, it will be paramagnetic. sp3 hybridization, besides tetrahedral shape, thus its shape will be as follow: central atom, one bond above the plane, and three bonds like this. This angle is equal to 109 degree 28 minutes. Next example, nickel tetracarbonyl NiCO4 oxidation state zero, coordination number 4. Why does it so? It is why because carbon monoxide is monodentate ligand, and number of monodentate ligand, that is carbon monoxides, are 4. Hence 4 coordinate bonds are set up here. So due to formation of 4 coordinate bonds, coordination number will be equal to 4. After representation of oxidation state and coordination number, we write the electronic configuration for central atom, that is for the nickel. Ni 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d8, 4s2, 4p0. You may write 4d0 to represent 4d is not essential here because our coordination number is 4. We need only 4 hybrid orbitals. You may be represent or not. It is not the case of foundation. You have to do this. It is totally depend on your life. Again, oxidation state is 0. Hence, we will not remove any electron from the outermost shell, that is from the 4s. Concept is just before than before. In initial cases, we replaced required number of electrons from outermost shell of the central atom. But in this case, oxidation state is 0. It indicates that we will not remove, we will not replace any electron from the 4s orbital. Thus, we will show the suborbital of the 3D 4s and 4p. First, second, third, fourth. Four P. After representation of sub orbitals, that is a block, we are pay our individual attention at the electrons present in the 3D, and on the basis of that, these electrons are distributed in the 3D orbital accordingly at Hund स्वरूप. Fourier orbital will have two electrons also, so we will represent two electrons in Fourier. Since carbon monoxide is strong ligand, so due to strong ligand, it will play double role here. Double role means it will push back these two Fourier electrons into 3D, and after replacement of Fourier electron into 3D, pairing will occur. If oxidation state is zero, d orbital is incomplete. D orbital means inner d orbital. D orbital from the left hand side. If d orbital is incomplete, oxidation state is zero, but ligand is strong, then ligand plays with double role. In first role, outer electrons are pushed back into inner d orbital, and in second role, pushed electrons are paired. Since carbon monoxide is strong ligand, hence Fourier's electrons will push back into 3D. After this, pairing takes place. Due to effect of strong ligand CO, three D Fourier or P तो thus no inner d orbital is vacant. Due to non-availability of vacant d orbital, we will take 1s and 3p for our hybridization as prescribed by, as described by coordination number. So our hybridization will be sp3. Now electrons are set up provided by ligands. Three d electrons are paired initially. One coordinate bond in this and remaining three in this. All the electrons in 3d orbitals are paired, hence it will be diamagnetic, that is low spin complex. Electrons in inner d orbital, that is in 3d orbital, are paired, thus it is diamagnetic or low spin complex. Effective atomic number, minus oxidation state plus 2 times number of monodentate ligand. Monodentate ligand 28 plus 2 times 4. 28 plus 8, 36. Due to sp3 hybridization, its shape will be tetrahedral. Shape tetrahedral. Ni CO 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 CO